Can I get grab a kiss? Grab a kiss, grab that. Alright, welcome back everyone. Here we are again on another trip to Hawaii, but this time we're heading out of SFO with the family. Now, usually we check in digitally, but we had to use the counter this time because the kiosk wouldn't let us tag our stroller and car seat, which was another sign of Hawaiian dropping the ball, and it just made check-in more time consuming. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, but you can really sense that since the Alaska and Hawaiian merger, it really feels like it's leaning heavily into Alaska's favor, and Hawaiian is getting the short end of the stick. Say hi. Say hi.
No, no, no.
Say hi.
No, 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 no. Okay? No, no, no.
Okay. Hi, my name is Tobias.
No, 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 okay? I look great. I look, no, no, no. Okay? Okay.
Why not? You don't want to say hi? Say cheese.
Oh, where we go?
Cheese. Cheese. There we go. Cheese. Cheese. Whoa. Whoa, cool. You made a tower? Wow, cool. Good job, man. Whoa. Oh, where to go? Don't put your head through that.
Oh, where we go?
Say cheese.
No.
The TSA has limited the items that may be carried through a screening checkpoint.
Whoa.
Passengers should contact
Careful.
their air carrier for further information.
Mama, where's my mama? Here is
What are you doing? Why are you sitting in that? That's Granny's. Say hi. Oh no. Hey man. Hey man. Hey man. So here we are, arrival in Honolulu, and the usual arrival rituals happen. We get the luggage, we get the rental car, we load up the cars, and then we're off to get food. Usually the first stop is Zippy's or Foodland Poke, but this time bb.q chicken. What you doing? Since we were still on California time, that midday slump hit right after lunch, so we needed to get a little pick-me-up for the afternoon reset at Pai Cafe. Now, before heading over to the west side to check into the vacation rental, Joe wanted to check out some spots in Waikiki and of course grab some junbi to sip on for later. Here, ready? Come here.
Yeah, your room's over there with Mama. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, yeah, but she's outside.
Bye, yes. Say hi.
Cheese.
Say cheese.
Queso.
Guess what the
It's fruity.
Yeah.
What do you see? Alright, first morning here in Hawaii, guys. Mom Bear, say hi. Where are we going?
Gonna go to Okoyama Kobo.
Whoa.
Empty wrapper.
Roro.
Granny. Oh, Granny.
Granny.
Can I go here?
One more?
Oh, it is here. See, all this is different. There used to be buildings here and they tore them down.
They're building.
They're redoing.
See, if you follow the directions, it brings you straight to the front. But they don't give you parking.
Yeah, there's no parking.
They don't get it. This doesn't direct you to the parking. Yes. Bye. Hi. Oh. The first morning on the island hits different when you head straight to the spot that you've been looking forward to for months. We grabbed a few fresh pastries from Okoyama Kobo to kick things off. And of course, we couldn't leave there without their signature banana cream matcha latte. Hi.
Where are we at?
In the botanical garden. In the stop sign. She's going. Hurry, the stop sign's gonna move. Wow. Oh, I missed it again. I missed it.
Again.
Oh.
Teka pa, gagalaw ko na nakapo.
Si Mike.
This is funnier though. Hi, bird. Bye. Now, just about 15 minutes down the road from the gardens, Waiahole Poi Factory was open, so we stopped in for a quick taste of fresh poi and some ice cream, and then we just browsed the local art shop, or like the gift store next door, and it was just a little pit stop before heading around the island, kind of just continuing our cruise toward Jenny's shrimp truck. Okay, let's go back. You want to just hold with me? Okay. We're on the bridge. Look, guys. Smile, cheese. Want to say cheese? Cheese. Oh, Momo's over there. Momo's over there. Look at all the cars. Whoa. See? Whoa. Okay, hold on.
Say cheese. Hi.
Say hi to Bias.
No! No,
Okay,
no,
well,
no.
I'm gonna record our food. I know, why are you mad? Ooh. Siya, Mama?
This is spicy garlic butter. This is spicy garlic
Where's that
from
one from?
another truck.
Oh, okay.
We're
Jungle
BPS. BPS, yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, man. So we finished up our plate lunch at Jenny's Shrimp since we were running on mostly snacks all day. And afterwards, you can't drive through Wailua without a pit stop at Pa'ala'akai Bakery for some legendary snow puffies. Then, one last stop ending the day at Greenworld Coffee Farms.
Hey, let's take a picture.
Alright guys, so pretty much we're just doing a little bit of a side quest over here at Greenworld Coffee Farms. Just trying a different style of vlogging right now. I'm not really actually using my phone. We're using the Ray-Bans right now. Oh, and look, there's Tobias! Hi, man! Hi, man! Don't run. No, don't run, don't run. Walk, walk, walk. Just walk, walk. Just walk, walk, walk. Walk, 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 walk. Don't run, just walk. Just walk, walk, walk. You're crazy. Tobias, come here. Oi, Tobias. Come here, hey, hey, hey. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. You wanna see? Look at this. See these red things? That's coffee. This is coffee. It's raining. It's raining. Look, Mama. Go get Mama. Excuse me. It's okay. Yeah, you're in the rain? Cheese!
All the raindrops are made of all the candies.
Oh, sorry.
My gross look.
Hey, don't fall!
Okay, watch out.
Watch out, man!
Stop. I'm sorry. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah. Rain.
Careful! Careful!
We're gonna slide.